Okay, we're in the 2016 Voltage 3805. Solid counters, double door refrigerator, convection oven, and microwave. One TV, loft, recliner couch with automatic seats, vibrating, colors, and everything else. Beautiful woodwork, beautiful leather. The generator is on right now, the AC is on right now. There's your toilet, your shower. Queen bed, and the bed is a custom bed. He bought that, I think it was $4 grand or something like that. And there's a TV right here. So there's two TVs, two ACs. There's third TV is in the toy hauler area, and the fourth TV is outside. Watch out, doggies. Doggies don't go in the RV. They don't go with us on a trip. We have you can clean your clothes there. There's another TV, another toilet. We have nice frosted glass on all the doors. You can see the heat in the floors. Cold weather package. Dirt Devil. This is a badass unit. I shouldn't have said that. This is a very nice unit. Alright, I'm going to do one of the outside.